Hey guys, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? We're here at Robert Bridge Cemetery in Wilsonville, and this place is pretty awesome. So we're here with Julie.
Hello.
Cody.
What up?
And Brooke. And yeah, they're gonna walk around and show you some cool shit here. So let's check it out.
Okay. Okay, this is obviously new. 2022. Teresa Hoffman. Born October 3rd, 1947, December 15th, 2022. Okay, I love trees. Everybody knows that about me. Christina. Always loved, forever missed. Alexander Nellie Elizabeth, July 23rd, 1911, September 22nd, 1970. Clifford Shaver, World War I, U.S. Navy. Sophie J. Shaver, 1905 to 1953. Beautiful day out here today. Finally have the sun shining. Wow. Look at that scarecrow over there, you guys. Wow. I forget how to zoom.
Might be Jeepers Creepers.
Harold C. Sharp, 1902 to 1939. Edith Grace Korak, Dee Dee. February 22nd, 1923. Oh wow, March 16th, 2024. That's pretty recent. Priester. Otelli and Julius, 1844 to 1916. 1834 to 1915. Gosh, that's an old one. Yeah, that's an old. These are the ones I love right here. Yeah, with the moss growing on it. It's like they put that there, you know?
It's like perfect.
Yeah.
Moss covers all.
So cool. These ones that are under the trees. Davies. Father Ferd and Mother Nola. Oh, and a baby. Vaughn Davies. November 15th, 1952. They put quarters on it. J.J. White. Who's that? Can't really read that one very good. 1985 to 1987. It's only 2 years old. That's sad. Carol. Floyd E. 1904 to 1986. Frida J. 1914. She's still living. White. Jess W. 1915 to 1971. They were married January 3rd, 1939. And Madeline L. 1918. And she must still be going. Good for her. Excuse me. Ooh, got one over here in between the trees. Duncan. Christine L. 1900 to 1972. And Herbert H. 1899 to 1971. Robertson. John W. March 27, 1943. They were married for 58 years. W. Joy. February 8th, 1944 to September 14th, 2024. Excuse me. This is cute. A little personalized spot. Martinez. Belva and Arthur. On earth and in heaven. Ryan. Cold yet, Cody?
Yeah. Don't wear shorts. Don't wear shorts when it's cold and windy outside.
Yeah, in the middle of winter. That was probably their favorite drink. Boy, there's a lot of gophers around here. Okay, I can't even pronounce that. I don't even know what that... They must have loved Diet Coke. Or Diet Pepsi, I'm sorry. I stand corrected. Oh, wow, that looks like there's a sign over there. Yeah, it is a little nippy out here. Just a little bit. Up on a hill. Okay, what's this? Dedicated to the memory of Robert and Rachel Byrd, pioneers of the 1847. Robert, born May 22nd, 1776. Died October 13th, 1855. And Rachel was born on February 26th, 1780. Died October 16th, 1859. Wow, so I wonder if these are the Byrds. Robert and Rachel Byrd. Yeah, he was born in 1776. Yeah, that's an oldie. She was born in 1780. Lawrence.
That's crazy. It's almost 200 years old.
God, I know. Whoa. Almost 200 years old. That's crazy. Okay.
A little too.
My hands are numb.
Mine too.
Cruise. Oh look, a little pumpkin. I think that pumpkin belongs right here with Samuel. Samuel William Upchurch. 1973 to 2024. It's over here. There's another cool little family plot. Wilhelm Schultz, 1856 to 1925. And there's Elizabeth. Moses. It's a cool one. Got Elijah Arden Moses. And Mary Moses. Atherton. Okay, we're gonna walk over here to Paul. He's got his drone out. I can't help it, that's just so funny watching that thing follow you.
Yeah. So, you hold that. Alright, come on. There's so many cool graves here. Let's check it out. John Hardick Fuller, Betty Bell. Yeah. Cool as that one. Look at this. This is pretty sick. Have you already been over here? Oh, they've already filmed over here. This thing's just following me around. All right, cool. All right, well, let's wrap it up on this one, and you guys be cool and have a good one, and we'll do another video here. Just gonna follow me around.
Yeah.
All right.
That is so cool.
All right, you guys have a good day. Be cool. Later.